welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done a video for this page, but I got my FabFitFun box, so of course I wanted to unbox it. The first thing I got is an add-on, and this is just a crossbody bag. It's from Bouret, I think is how you say the brand. I don't know if that's correct, but that is the brand, and I liked it because it's a nice gray color. It'll go with everything. It's more sporty, so you can wear it every day. It's just perfect to, you know, run in and out of places. So anyways, here's the box. This is the summer box. It's really pretty. And let's just get into it and see what I got. I don't think I know everything that's in here, so we'll see. There's a magazine. Ooh. First thing that I see is a $50 credit to Bright Cellars. Kind of like those online wine things, so maybe we'll give it a shot. We'll see. So I'm gonna set this aside with my magazine. And here we go. Ooh. So the first thing I see is a silked satin pillow sleeve. So is this a pillowcase? The satin pillow sleeve is designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair. Yep, I have a satin pillowcase and I've actually loved it. Before I used this satin pillowcase, I would wake up and have like the lines all over my face, and now I wake up and no lines on my face. It's pretty awesome. But this one looks like it's open-ended, so it won't cover everything. Ooh, it feels really soft though. So looks like that, satin on the one side, and then it looks like it's cotton on the other. And I think my husband will get this since I already have a satin pillowcase. So we'll see if he wants it. He tried my satin pillowcase and he really liked it. So we'll see if he wants this. So there's that. Pretty exciting stuff. Then we have, ooh, a Sponge Gel hand cream. I love hand creams. This is a coconut and verbena. So there's that. I love hand cream, especially now with like COVID. I usually wash my hands a lot, but with COVID I'm washing even more. And yes, we have the black mask. I really love the under eye ones of these. I don't know if this one's for your whole face or for the under eyes. I think this is for your whole face, so we'll see how it goes. I really love the one for the under eyes. It's really nice, depuffing for the under eye area. Oh, these are the ones I love. So we have that, and then the face mask. So we'll see what the face one actually does. Then we have Winky Lux Unibrow. Oh, it's a brow pencil. Cool. Usually I just use, oh here, let me show you the packaging. Usually I just use powder for my brows, so it'll be fun to try this out. It's a universal brow pencil. Okay. It looks like that, and I guess you turn it to put the product out. So I'll try that out and let you guys know what I think about that. And this is new. I've never heard about this or tried it. It's supposed to be universal, so the same shade is supposed to work for everyone, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know how the same shade will work for everyone. Ooh, a makeup drop. So this is a silicone pad and blending sponge in one. Oh, okay, I see. So the one side has a silicone pad right there, and then the rest of it is the blending sponge. So I'll probably try this out. I usually use face brushes now, but I'll give that a shot and see. Then we have a decorative vase or vase, however you say it. I really struggle opening packaging. And this one, open it. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a little dirty. Oh, it's kind of like unfinished ceramic at the bottom, like it's not painted, just like up here. And it's painted on the inside. cute. I don't know where I will put it because my cats knocked everything over. So I'm sure they will think it's a toy for them. So there's that. And then we have a couple more things. We have, oh, I know what this is. This is kind of a thermal little bag to take for picnics and to the beach and stuff. I don't know that we will be going to the beach this summer or to the pool. But yeah, it's so cute, look. And I'm pretty sure it's a thermal on the inside. So it'll keep all your stuff cool. Yeah, awesome. So that's exciting. And then the last thing I see here is a straw bag. This one's really cute too. It's perfect for summer. Just a straw bag. I love it. This is from Draper James. Draper James? Anyways, but that's all the stuff I got. It's all really cute. I'm really excited to try some of these things out. If you get a box, let me know what's in yours, and I will see you next time. Bye.